Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I know today I said I would be showing you guys what I got for my dorm. However, I did pick up the new MacBook Pro, so I figured I would share that with you today. So I believe there are a total of 4 new versions you can get, 2 15-inch models and 2 13-inch models. I decided to get the higher storage in the 13-inch version. So you have the option of 256 gigabytes or 512, and that is for an extra $200, so that is what I decided to go with. Like I said, I chose to go with the 13-inch model rather than the 15, and there's a couple reasons why. One is because it is significantly smaller, so it's going to be a lot easier to carry around, which will be way more convenient. 2 is because I've heard already that the 15-inch model is having a lot of difficulty and problems with overheating. So, I mean, it's only been out for a week, so if it's already having problems, I don't even want to deal with it. And then the third reason is the 13-inch is, of course, more affordable. So, for the version I got, it was $2,000, and then if I wanted the 15-inch, it was going to be an extra $700, which to me was just not worth it. So here is the box it comes in. I have already opened it just because I wanted to make sure everything looked all right. It comes wrapped in this cover, so you just peel it off here. And then, as usual, it comes with the charger and the instructions. Okay, so here is the actual laptop. As you can tell, the design is super clean and simple looking, which I really like. It comes in 2 colors, so it's either silver, which is what I have here, or space gray, which is that darker gray version. Like I said, this is 13 inches, so it weighs about 3 pounds, which shouldn't be too bad to carry around. And then another thing I want to take a look at is the keyboard. So all of the newer designs come with the touch bar up here. You can no longer get the basic keyboard like the previous models had. Also, this keyboard is still the butterfly model. So I know in the older versions they were having some problems with it, but apparently there is now a silicone layer below it that should basically prevent crumbs or dust from getting trapped below and prevent those problems. By no means am I very knowledgeable in technology, but I know that this model has a quad-core processor rather than dual, so it's supposed to just be overall a lot faster and more efficient. So overall, it's supposed to be more efficient, quicker, better graphics. I think it said the battery life is 10 hours, so that sounds pretty good to me. I am really hoping the whole keyboard situation was resolved as well. And then in addition to that, I did get a USB-C to a USB adapter so that I could hook up my phone to my laptop and also my camera to my laptop. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you like this unboxing / little review. If so, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you until next time. Bye!